Hey, I'm Dr. Bill Tackett, and we're live at 12:05. And I just heard about this show. It's called Crack Addicts, and it's a chiropractic office in Miami. And my initial reaction was like, "Oh no!" You know, you see it on social media, internet, all this cracking and the popping sound, and everybody's so either afraid of the popping sound or wants to hear the popping sound. And guess what? The popping sound means nothing to me. And the reason is I can make that popping sound with my knuckle. It's a natural occurrence with a joint. Now the joint itself has a fluid in it, and when you stretch that joint, it releases it, just like when you pop open a champagne bottle. And the pressure is released, but that pressure needs to be there, and so your body gets that pressure back in to the joint again. I could make that noise every 5 minutes, and it's not really the healing component. The healing component is the adjustment itself. It's a neurological event that restores function and allows those nerves to get through the spine so that the brain can control and communicate everything. So back to that show, Crack Addicts. I saw a little 2-minute clip. The girl the doctor, she has such great energy. My initial thought was, oh my gosh, she's cool, you know, and it shows some storylines of people coming in, and she also says, and this was the best part, we work with the nervous system. People think that chiropractors are bone doctors, and they work with the bones and just the spine. We work with the spine because of its impact on the nervous system. And I'll tell you, I really liked this doctor's energy. She seems like she's really enjoying herself. She seems like she really cares about her patients. I saw her give a few hugs in there. We're hugging all day long here. But guess what? You probably are going to get some good things out of that show because it's going to take away the fear factor, other than the fact that you're going to see a lot of popping. There's so much more that goes into it. We want to know exactly what bones to move and adjust to impact that nervous system. And we don't want to adjust segments that we don't need to adjust. I could make noise top to bottom. Popping sound doesn't mean anything to me. But Crack Addicts, apparently it's on Wednesday nights at 10 p.m. I hate the name, but you know what? If it teaches people that chiropractors help people and they change lives, and it looks like this show is going to show you some things in the background and people's experience, and they're very positive. But hey, there you go. Your popping sound is just like popping the cork off a champagne bottle. Doesn't mean anything to me, but changing that nervous system, making you healthy, that means the world to me. And so there you go. I'm Dr. Bill Tackett. We were live at 12:05. How about I see you in a week or two, all right? You have a good time, and get out there and move.